Hidden features and productivity hacks in ChatGPT-5 10 tools you should be using right now. Hook. Introduction. 05 South. Have you been using ChatGPT-5 just to answer simple questions? If so, you're only scratching the surface. Most people tap into less than 5% of its power. In this video, you will learn how to unlock the other 95% and become a ChatGPT-5 power user. Payoff.
By 025.
Stay tuned because I am revealing 10 hidden features and productivity hacks that will transform the way you research, create content, code, market products, and automate your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools to use to get more done in less time, and you'll never look at ChatGPT the same way again. 1. Deep research. 025 to 120. Our first hidden feature is deep research. ChatGPT-5 acts like a personal research assistant. When you need a detailed report, select Deep Research in the Composer, enter your query, and let the model analyze hundreds of online sources. Within minutes, it delivers a full, citation-rich report. Instead of spending hours searching, you get organized insights, key findings and links to original sources that you can reference immediately. 2. Summarize long documents. 1:22 to 10. Ever dread slogging through a dense PDF or research paper? ChatGPT-5 can upload files directly and give you crisp summaries. For really long documents, break them into roughly 3,000 token chunks and feed them sequentially. The model keeps context from previous chunks, so the final summary flows like a single narrative. This feature turns information overload into a few paragraphs of key takeaways. 3. Create marketing visuals using Sora. 2:10 to 3 o'clock next. Meet Sora. It creates high-quality videos up to 1 minute long from simple text prompts. Describe your product, the mood, and the style. And Sora generates professional-looking footage with correct spatial relationships and lighting. It's perfect for social media ads, product demos, and explicable videos. No camera, crew, or expensive software needed. 4. Generate logos and mockups with DAL E33 E50. If your brand needs a fresh logo or realistic mockups, ChatGPT-5 can tap DAL E3. Just specify the logo type, letter, mascot, or emblem, colors and style, and DAL E will design unique images. You can refine the result by adjusting spacing, colors, and fonts until it matches your vision. It's like having a graphic designer on call. 5. Debug and write code using ChatGPT Canvas to 350 to 440. For developers, the Canvas interface is a game changer. It lets you write and debug code directly within ChatGPT. Highlight a function that's throwing errors and ask for help. The model will diagnose problems, suggest fixes, add comments, or even translate the code into another language. Single-click shortcuts streamline the process so you spend less time stuck and more time building. Pattern interrupt? For 5 o'clock, quick question. Which of the first 5 tools are you most excited to try? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you thought those features were impressive, wait until you see what ChatGPT-5 can do with marketing analytics and automation. 6. Analyze your audience. 5 o'clock to 5:45. Understanding your audience is essential for effective marketing. ChatGPT-5 helps you analyze existing customer data to identify the topics, keywords, and messages that resonate most. It can build detailed buyer persona, revealing pain points and preferences so you can tailor your content and campaigns for maximum impact. 7. Compare products and features instantly. 5:45 to 6:30. When you need to make a buying decision or explain options to clients, ChatGPT-5 can instantly create side-by-side feature comparison tables. Simply ask it to compare 2 products or services, and it will list specifications, pros and cons. This saves you from manually gathering data and helps you or your audience choose the best option faster. 8. Perform SEO audits and content optimization to 6:30 to 7:15. SEO isn't just about keywords. It's about structure and relevancy. ChatGPT-5 analyzes your content to find keyword gaps and suggests new topics. It generates schema markup code, meta titles, and descriptions and points out opportunities to improve search engine ranking. Think of it as having a digital marketing consultant at your fingertips. 9. Automate repetitive workflows with plugins -715 to 805. Imagine automating mundane tasks like sorting support tickets or transferring data between apps with plugins like Zapier and Power Automate. ChatGPT-5 connects to over 1,000 services. You can set up flows that pull data from Jira, update spreadsheets, send notifications, or manage leads no coding required. It's like hiring a virtual assistant that never sleeps. 10. Generate email templates for campaigns to 805 to 850. Finally, streamline your marketing by generating polished email templates. Provide the offer details, call to action, and brand tone. And ChatGPT-5 writes multiple versions so you can perform A/B tests. This ensures your campaigns look professional and persuasive, while freeing up your creative energy for strategy and personalization. Conclusion in CTA 850 to 920. Those are 10 hidden features and productivity hacks that take ChatGPT-5 far beyond basic chatting. From deep research and document summarization to graphic design, coding support, audience analysis, automation, and email template. Each tool helps you work smarter and faster. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and share it with a friend who needs to unlock ChatGPT-5's full potential. Thanks for watching.